Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Fold Factory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold is a very creative die line modification to a format that we actually feature on Fold Factory. It's called the T-Cross Mailer Variation, and this is from Standard Textiles in-house marketing department, printed by One Touch Point, and this is for client Best Western Hotels and Resorts. So I love this because they basically took the base format and they made some modifications to really make it work for them. So this piece was designed to promote a line of towels called Elevation Towels. They have a stair-step pattern woven into them, so they created the stair-step on one of the panels, which is really nice and creates a lot of interest. Then they lengthened this panel, linens made with you in mind. They also turned the direction on this piece. We actually feature it this way online. I love this directional change that allows you to kind of roll it down, and they've got three important points to make, so they're kind of working that, and you roll down. So I like the directional change. I love the adjustments on the panels. Sometimes just these minor adjustments on a base format can make something really new and fresh and interesting. So I love that. These are digitally printed, die score, hand fold. Paper is 100-pound accent opaque text, and just clean, creative, simple. And this was also, by the way, used as a mailer and as a trade show handout. So these were mailed in a clear envelope, there's a mailing panel, or they were handed out for a trade show. So great kind of multi-purpose use as well. So there we go. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. T-Cross Mailer Variation with creative die cut. Also, I wanted to mention, in 2 weeks, the 500th episode will be going live. So I'm going to take a week off in between to prep for the big show, but I look forward to seeing everyone there. So see you in 2 weeks for the 500th episode.